Let's see your finds. What is up, everybody? Good to see you here on the Mr. Dig channel. I'm up in the landfill today with
Sarah.
Miss Sarah.
Sarah.
What we doing up here today, Miss Sarah? Other than vulturing, yeah, you got your eye on some of these loads, just waiting for them to dump out. Yeah.
I am doing a demolition day. Let me talk. Teach 7th and 8th grade science.
Yep.
And so my 8th grade unit is forces in motion. The very first unit, they get to break stuff and see how different forces react, how different things break.
Hey, you're at the right place.
Yes. So I need stuff to destroy.
Yeah, well, we can
smash.
Well, hopefully we can help you out. This load looks like it might have something in it.
I know.
He's got a couch in the back.
No, he put it real close to the tipping floor that it's just gonna go.
Yeah. And somebody fell down yesterday in the landfill.
No, who? What?
Yeah, I don't know. Somebody had.
Oh, yeah, that was me.
Yeah.
I thought you meant somebody fell down the thing. I was like, oh my god.
No,
I don't.
We were looking. We came up here yesterday. We were trying to find Sarah some stuff for her students, and we came
after
that
truck right
after
there
hours.
Stalled out.
Yeah, she just stalled out and fell down.
Got covered in what is that white powder stuff?
That is stuff from the fire brick makers. Okay. They bring all that stuff in. Yeah, she was covered in that. She was covered in it.
Didn't break anything though.
Well, good thing.
Miracle of miracles.
Good thing we're up here in July.
Oh, that is a nice pitchfork right there.
Uh-oh. Marco's on it. We're like vultures just waiting on you to dump out your load, man.
The TV.
You're taking the pressure washer too.
Hey.
What?
Where'd all this stuff come from, Bubba?
Well, it's a dumpster rental, so
yeah. Who knows?
Don't always leave out the things they're supposed to leave out.
Yeah. Well, you're helping Miss Sarah out. She's getting some stuff for her students to break in the classroom today, so we should be able to find some cool stuff in here.
Sure.
Look at that grill. Ain't nothing wrong with that. There's your umbrella.
Beach umbrella.
That is a nice pitchfork.
I know.
And a trencher and a rake.
Oh, look at all that. Oh yeah, that all needs to go.
There's your giraffe.
Oh, a giraffe.
He's missing an ear, but he's all right.
You could break him.
Yeah, you can break him.
I mean,
hey, 8th graders probably can break just about anything.
They really can. There's some nice furniture in here, actually.
Oh Lord.
This is a nice table.
Yeah.
These are nice.
We're in trouble, guys. We're in trouble.
I just want to take everything at least to the
mission.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mission. It's like we donated upcycling.
Yeah.
Would keep it out of the landfill. Give you more space. Give somebody. But like, I really want a puzzle table for upstairs.
Yeah.
Because nobody goes on there. So I should furnish it. Oh well, that's ugly.
Yeah. We don't want. Thank goodness. Because as soon as you said upstairs, I was like, I know who's gonna be lugging that thing upstairs.
Oh, we got a church builder thing to do.
Yeah. Nice chair. It's amazing what people throw away, ain't it?
Yeah.
You want me to take your one giraffe to the golf cart? You want that one too?
It's tall.
It is tall. Okay, come in. That it, buddy?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's see what else we can find for the 8th graders to break. Here comes us some help. David's got his Hyundai 160 with the magnet on it. He can rip through it for us. What you got there, darling?
Beer mugs.
Gonna break? Can you break those, huh?
Yeah. What is that?
I don't know.
Looks like it has a nest in it.
I have no idea what that is.
Shred. Oh, these chairs are so nice.
Yeah.
That's gonna hurt my heart.
Make some good cruncho vision though when they get ran over in a minute. What's that, Daniel? There's your old Georgia Bulldog window. Hope there's no Georgia Bulldog fans watching. Huh. Not a whole lot in this one. Not that Sarah needs anyway.
That's right.
We gotta hurry up and move some more dirt, guys. We are filling up way too fast. If you saw the last video, the Volvo was down there in that corner. We're digging down to the actual base grade of the cell right now. So it's just taking us a long time because we're in that chalk material, and if you saw, I don't know, 2 or 3 videos ago, we're having to take it way down on what we call the long haul route, and it's taking forever. Even with 3 trucks, it's just real slow going right now. Daniel said he couldn't run over it for us because he is a Georgia Bulldog fan, so sorry Bulldog fans. Got to get the Crunch Vision where we can get it. Well, not a lot of stuff for the students in this one, mainly just furniture and bulky junk. Should say we get a few things out though. We'll have to see if we got another load coming here in a minute. Daniel was saying it's been kind of slow today, which is really odd. Usually Saturdays are wide open busy, but I guess it's just so dang hot. A lot of people ain't working, I don't know. Antonio in the 826C today, and Daniel's got his back there too, but no need running both of them right now since it's been so slow. This ought to be a pretty cool one to see. This is where you really get your good compaction when you're pushing up on the side of these slopes here. You can see those wheels just gnarling down in that trash, really chewing it up and packing it down as best as possible. Oh, guess nobody wanted the grill. Any other day we'd have 15 trucks lined up, but the day we want to go dumpster diving, of course, it's kind of slow. She got enough stuff, I think. Let's go check. What do you think, darling? Did you find some more stuff?
Found some things.
Yeah, got some things?
Yep, I got
Let's see what you got. Let's see your finds.
Got a couple of cones.
Okay.
Just to kind of set the mood.
Yeah.
Got this drawer.
Okay. Some mugs.
Some mugs. Hopefully nobody will mind their beer. I mean, we're smashing them.
Yeah. You got a pre-smashed.
Pre-smashed, but we can break this some more.
Yeah.
Like treadmill or something.
Hey, you got a little guitar.
I know, this is my favorite part. It's
Oh yeah. You gonna play it or you gonna smash it?
We're gonna smash it.
All right.
I don't know what's down there, but it looks smashable.
Something smashable. And you can smash that drawer. And the kids will just have a good time smashing anything.
Right.
Yeah.
And it's to hype them up, to get them excited for the unit.
Yeah. Well, that'll hype them up.
Yeah.
Nothing like smashing some stuff.
I know. We will wear safety goggles.
Yeah, safety first.
Yes.
Always. Everybody that knows watches our channel knows safety's always first.
That's priority.
Yeah, yeah. A few more loads coming in, but I know this one's gonna be shingles. Let's see what this other guy's got. Maybe we have a last minute show up of some stuff that Sarah can let her kids smash. Hey, we can go check on the other side here if you want. Have you been over there?
Yep.
You have?
Yep.
You done been everywhere, haven't you?
Yep.
Why you let it get so dang hot?
I melted.
Yeah, you melting.
I should go jump in the pool now.
Let's go jump in the pool.
I already look like I did.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah, it's gross.
Hey, that one might have some stuff in it.
No, let's pause for a minute.
Yeah, let's pause. I thought it was just shingles, but I see some furniture in there and stuff.
Yeah.
So
we'll see.
all right.
We'll see.
Good thing we didn't leave, babe.
Woohoo! 4 new trucks.
All right. That one's gonna have some stuff in it for sure.
Breaking sweat, burning calories, that's what I do.
It's easy to sweat today. It's hot. Got some good stuff, Marco. Gotta be something in there. Definitely got to be some breakable stuff in here. Oh yeah, you don't definitely want to smash that one, huh? Yeah. How's it going today, bud?
How you doing?
Doing good. My girlfriend's.
I got a whole house of glimpsing and baskets, son.
Oh, do you?
I bought a hurricane house.
Yeah.
It's been sitting 8 months.
Okay. Sarah needs some stuff. This is Sarah, by the way.
Hi.
She needs some stuff for her classroom for the students to break and reassemble or something to that
Doing a
effect.
lesson. They got to smash stuff. They're learning all about forces. So we're going to do a little demolition day. And yeah, we're just looking around for things to smash.
There should be
I got some cables in my neck, though.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. All right.
Well, I thought it was going to be a good load, but maybe not. How about that? You can smash a trumpet.
Trumpet. I was going to donate them, but I didn't want the Goodwill once. I didn't took one load. I got a whole, I can fill that whole thing up with a bed and everything now. I got
Wow.
one room left that they
Yeah.
left. There's so much Clemson and Masters. They left Masters stuff.
Really?
Oh, I got all kind of Masters hats, but
Oh,
they came
God.
back and got them statues.
Oh.
Everybody
Oh, the
wants
gnome.
The gnomes?
Big ones. too.
Yeah.
Oh, man,
yeah,
that's what I
Five
want.
of them sitting on a.
Doggone.
This right here.
Hey,
I kept
they
an
can
eye on
smash it with that. There you go. We see all kind of stuff come in here, man. This wild.
Mhm.
So,
And I kind of want to try to save everything,
yeah.
but
Well, appreciate you, bud.
thank you. I don't know about these trumpets. I thought about taking them to school and seeing if the band director,
Hey, yeah,
you
yeah.
know, could like use them.
Yeah. I'm sure they could. Those things are
I don't even know how to
expensive
open
too,
them.
man.
I don't know, so I might take those. And
Okay.
if they're worthless, then we can smash them.
Yeah, let's do that. I'll throw them in the golf cart. We'll have to wait until we get home to get that one open. It's kind of locked.
All kinds of stuff.
What's in the bag?
Marco found me a little basket.
Okay.
We smashing it.
Smash it.
I'm gonna donate them.
You're gonna donate those?
They got
They were big time Clemson fans, weren't they?
Masters. The Clemson Masters.
Wow.
Their wardrobe was, everything was orange and Masters.
Mainly books. I mean, there is a basket.
They was hardcore, wasn't they?
Oh, they were. They had every ticket that
Any electronics,
it's
like
all
smaller
kind of stuff. They've been
electronics?
going games.
And these smashing stuff.
Yeah.
Just rip it up and dump it out here at a landfill. It don't matter.
Yeah, I guess that's true.
Hey,
Oh,
that'll be fun to
bottle
smash.
shop. Or I could just keep it for my kids to
You
play.
ain't gonna have nothing to smash.
But it's free.
Sarah's gonna keep everything.
And we're having like a homeroom period. And it's all about building relationships.
Yeah.
We could have game day.
Okay, huh?
See, look.
That'll work. Here, let me just rip those bags open.
Oh, there's so much fancy stuff.
Here you go, babe. Rip them open. I think I need to sharpen my knife.
You can get messy.
Yeah, that's a good thing about being in a landfill. You ain't got to worry about making a mess. That ain't nothing but junk in that one.
See what we got in here. I don't know anything about this game. It's missing everything.
Missing the whole game.
Can we? Dog will like that. Yeah.
How you do it?
All right. We're good at this.
Dang, we need some smashing stuff, man.
Now this I could smash.
Okay.
We could smash that.
All right. More trash, babe. Now the rest of this load's kind of just the boards and sheetrock and stuff.
You said it was a hurricane house, right?
Yeah, hurricane house.
You're earning your keep today, baby.
I'm trying.
We can find any like small electronics,
Yeah.
like old cell phones. That would be awesome.
Okay.
Or little doll.
Oh, that is creepy. You put that on your Christmas tree. Hey Sarah, you could have used this not too long ago.
Yeah, but it's a little not my size. But this is freaky.
What is it?
Oh, no, it's freaky. I don't like it.
Let's go over here and see what's in this one, if anything. Nope. Daniel's gonna smash that couch. Ready for the pool?
So ready. So hot.
Alright guys, we're going to jump in the pool. It's too dang hot out here. Give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind. I'll see you on the next one.